companies who are sponsoring the event with Rajan from Secretary. We're really happy to see that after the first event we have lots of new people here, and we also have lots of new faces. A lot of the faces of the people who were here before, so it's great to have this turnout. I'll quickly talk about DemoCamp. I mean, a lot of people should, if you guys are here, you kind of know a little bit what it's all about. So the idea we had is just to create an event for our industry, for people who do online work, people who work on the internet. And it's just to try to create an event on a regular basis where people can come over, they can showcase their work, they can share their ideas, share their opinions with their peers. And at the end of the day, it's just about trying to create a community feeling. So I'm really happy to see we have such a good turnout. I'll announce the demos one by one. So we're just going to start. After every demo, we will distribute a small questionnaire, evaluation form, so that you guys can quickly say what you think about the demo. If you have any comments, if you have any questions for presenters. It's just a way to try to make it a little bit better, try to improve on what we're trying to do here. And at the end of the event, we'll do some networking, and hopefully there'll be more food for us. So our first demo is Star, which is a marketplace for delivery services, and it will be presented by its co-founder of Murshed.
So good. So good.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like first to thank the organizers for giving us the opportunity to be here and present to this great audience. Dart.com is a marketplace for delivery services. Darb in Arabic means way, a highway or something. It means that people can just use it to go from one location to another. The idea of that came to me when I was facing a lot of problems with delivery companies. Prices were going up, quality of service was becoming bad, and they were taking so long. Actually, sometimes they ask you to come to a certain location to deliver it for you. They don't come to your house. So I thought that there must be a way to improve this service somehow. And one day I was surfing the net. I found that some people used to sell stuff on the internet. They don't have websites, but they have some forums, and they put some threads and they sell stuff over the internet. And they had distribution list of people, total strangers. They just have a mobile number and the names, and those guys were ready to deliver stuff for, say, really small amount of money. And they were happy with that. They were using them because their service was better. They were not companies, they were normal people, strangers. So I thought, well, I was amazed with the amount of people that were using them, because I thought trust wasn't an issue. And I thought, let's create a way to organize this thing. And the idea of that came into existence. So we created that, and it's a place where people want to send something from one location to another, meet others who are willing to deliver, those items from one location to another. And normally the people who delivers the stuff, we call them darbers. Basically, they don't work 24 hours for this delivery service. They usually live in a city and work in another city. They live in Sharjah and work in Dubai. They take the same route on a daily basis, and they don't mind taking something with them in the morning to deliver it within a few hours with no cost, no fee. And it happens very fast, in a cheap way, and I think it's better than some companies, or many companies at this stage. So I'll go through the website. As you can see, these are some items that are available online at the moment. We have waiting for someone to deliver them. I'll go through the items, or the overall items. As you can see here, the ones that have green backgrounds are the ones that have been delivered already. This was the first item to be delivered through Dart.com. And just to give you an idea about the location, The distance was around 10 kilometers, and the person delivered it in half an hour by charging $10. Half an hour, $10, 10 kilometers. I remember one delivery company, I asked them to deliver something from Dubai to Sharjah immediately. They said it will take, this is an emergency case, it will take $300 and it will take around 3 hours. So you can compare. So this was the first one. Let's go to others. There are some interesting items here. This was Dubai. This cat was delivered in Egypt. You know, this discussion was going on with the people, and he delivered this cat. This is a pet. This is not an item. It's a living thing. You know, you just get it on the back or something. So he charged $10, $35 to deliver this cat from Iskandariya to a location called Zarqazil. I'll show you the Google Maps today. See, from here to here.
Wow.
And this is like 170 kilometers. $35 to deliver a cat. It took him a day or something. This guy is like 20 years old. He's not an employee or something. Let me go to something else. It's amazing. When we developed the website, we never thought that this would happen. Cats and dislocation and this. Just show you another example. The website, people started using it differently in ways that we didn't expect. For example, there was just wait for it to go. There was a request to purchase and deliver a special kind of dates that is available only in Saudi Arabia and special cities in Medina, Mecca, and Saudi Arabia. And this date, the phone is from Saudi to Dubai or UAE. And someone from Dubai said, well, someone from Sharjah said, they sell it here, some shops sell it here. Do you want me to buy it from Sharjah and deliver it to you in Dubai? And that was done. And that doesn't need to go from Saudi, from the source, because some companies buy from Saudi and bring it here to sell it in Dubai, or in Sharjah. So that happened. I mean, it's not only delivering something, it's like also purchase plus delivery. It happened. Another item was this Zamzam water. Again, Zamzam is only available in Mecca. So this guy, you can see the discussion. He said, someone from Dubai said, I have Zamzam. I went to Mecca a few days ago and I have something. But I need it, sometimes I have a special package. He said, no, I want some special package. He said, my friend is going to Saudi next week. Will you wait? He said, yes, that's fine. So he went and came back. He said, well, he didn't bring the same package, but he brought Zamzam, but in a different package. Is it okay with you? He said, that's fine. And the cost is incredible. I mean, he said, I won't take any money from you because this is something holy. And he said, I'll do it for free. But he said, no, I'll just pay you for that. So imagine how much this guy spent. I mean, I didn't even think about something similar to this. This is really, I mean, I'll just show you the list of people. You have approximately, this is interesting. This guy, he's from Egypt, he's 16 years old. He delivers to all these locations. Look at the birthday. He's using public transportation. I mean, he can, the moment he gets this bit, he can just pick up a bus or something and go directly to the site and deliver it within an hour. I mean, the way the website works is different than the way the delivery company works. What they do is, in case you want to send something from your house to your neighbor's house, what will happen is someone will come to your house, you pick up an item, you go back to the location, the central location where they collect everything,